Special treatment for tank for Alison Soto. Version 1, we have electric diamonds for the yellow parts of the flame. So simply sprinkle electric diamonds on the yellow areas that we see right now with the sparkling electric diamonds. Tank version 2 now adds lightning diamonds for the middle part of the flame. So this would be the white areas. Simply sprinkle your lightning diamonds on the white areas. Finally, for version 3, we have now added Prism Pearls for the black areas of the canvas. So this would be some on the tank itself and then also on that tree to the far left side of the picture.